Welcome final year BSc student, paper number MTS 655, A part, MCQ of optimization technique, video number 1. First MCQ, graphical method can be applied to solve a LPP when there are only dash variable. Graphical method can be applied when there are two variable. Answer is option B, two variable. Second MCQ, flexible region is a set of point which satisfy dash. Option A, objective function, B, some constraint, C, all constraint, D, none of the above. Answer is flexible region is a set of point which satisfy option C, all constraint. Third one, in graphical representation, the bounded region is known as dash region. Option A, solution, B, basic solution, C, flexible solution, and D, none of above. In graphical method, the bounded region is called flexible solution, so answer is C option, flexible solution. Next, fourth, a basic flexible solution is called dash if the value of at least one basic variable is 0. Basic flexible solution is dash if at least one basic variable is 0. Answer is B option, degenerate. The basic flexible solution is called degenerate if at least one basic variable is 0. 5. Name of the method to solve linear programming problem. Name of the method to solve LPP. A option, northwest corner method. No, this is method of transportation problem. Vogel approximation method, this is also for transportation problem. Simplex method, this is method to solve LPP. Answer is C option, simplex method. 6. Which variable cannot have any physical meaning? Which variable cannot have any physical meaning? Option A, optimal variable, no. Decision variable, no. Artificial variable have no physical meaning, so answer is C option, artificial variable. 7. In simplex method, if there is tie between decision variable and a slack or surplus variable, dash should be selected. Tie between decision variable and slack and or surplus variable, then dash should be selected, then decision variable should be selected. Answer is C option, decision variable. 8. An objective function is maximized when it is dash type function. Maximize, cost minimize, loss minimize, profit is maximize. So answer is B option, profit is maximize. 9. Any flexible solution which optimize means maximize or minimize. Any basic flexible solution which optimize the objective function LPP is called its optimal solution. Answer A, optimal solution. 10. In simplex method, we add dash variable in the case less than type of constraint. Option A, slack, B, surplus, C, artificial, D, none of these. In less than type constraint, we add slack variable. Option A, slack variable. 11. The northwest corner rule is used to find dash solution to transportation problem. Optimal solution, no. Restricted solution, no. Alternative solution, no. Initial basic flexible solution. The northwest corner rule is used to find initial basic flexible solution of transportation problem. Answer is D option, initial basic flexible solution. 12. A given transportation problem is said to be unbalanced. Transportation problem unbalanced if total supply is not equal to total supply is not equal to demand, then the problem is unbalanced. Means answer B. Supply is not equal to demand. Answer is B option. A basic solution which also satisfy the condition in which all basic variable are non-negative is called as dash dash dash. All basic variable are non-negative is called as option A, basic feasible solution. Option A, basic feasible solution. 14. The maximization transportation problem is converted to minimization problem. This statement is maximization transportation problem converted to minimization problem. This is false statement. Answer is B option, false. 15. Hungarian method is used to solve. Hungarian method used to solve transportation problem, traveling salesman problem, linear programming problem, both A and B. Answer is B option, a traveling salesman problem. Hungarian method is used to solve a traveling salesman problem. 16. VAM is used to check the optimality test. True, false, no. True, no. False. False is correct answer. VAM is used to check optimality test. False. Answer is B option, false. VAM is used to obtain. Option A, optimal solution. No. Initial basic feasible solution. Yes, correct. Optimality test. No. None of the above. No. Initial basic feasible solution. VAM is used to obtain initial basic feasible solution. 18. VAM stand for Hogel approximation method. Answer is B option. Spelling Hogel in B option is correct. Answer is B option, Hogel's approximation method. 19. The solution of a transportation problem with M sources and N destination is feasible if number of allocation is dash dash dash. M sources, N destination is feasible if number of allocation is M plus N minus 1. Answer is B option, M plus N minus 1. 20. A basic feasible solution to the transportation problem that contain less than M plus N minus 1 non-negative allocation is called as dash dash dash. Non-degenerate basic feasible solution. No. Degenerate basic feasible solution less than M plus N minus 1 non-negative allocation is called as degenerate basic feasible solution. 21. If there are more than one optimum solution for the decision variable, then the solution is dash dash dash. More than one optimum solution, then the solution is called alternate solution. Answer is C option, alternative solution. 22. The allocated cell in the transportation table are called as dash dash dash. A option, occupied cell. Yes, correct answer. B option, empty cell. This is also correct answer. C option, both A and B, means both A and B are correct answer. D option, unoccupied cell. False. Answer is C option, A and B, means allocated cell is called as occupied cell and also empty cell. 23. The equation ui plus vj equal to cij is used to calculate dash dash dash. The equation ui plus vj equal to cij is used to calculate an improvement index for stepping stone method. No. The opportunity cost for using particular routes. No. The Modi's cost value ui vj. This is correct answer. C option, the Modi cost value ui vj. 24. In maximization cases, dash dash are assigned to artificial variable as their coefficient of objective function. In maximization cases, dash dash are assigned to artificial variable as their coefficient of objective function. Option A plus m, option B minus m, option C 0, option D none of the above. Answer is B option -m. Answer is B option -m. विद्यार्थी मित्र, आज दुपारपर्यंत मी यावरचा ऑप्टिमायझेशन टेक्निकचा दुसरा व्हिडिओ अपलोड करणार आहे आणि शक्य झाल्यास रात्रीपर्यंत डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनचा एक व्हिडिओ मी अपलोड करेल. विद्यार्थी मित्र, कुठलाही व्हिडिओ बनवायचा असेल तर त्याला खूप वेळ द्यावा लागतो, खूप मेहनतीचं काम आहे. मी गेल्या 5 दिवसापासून आपल्यासाठी MCQ टाईपचे व्हिडिओ बनवत आहे. मला एवढीच तुमच्याकडून अपेक्षा आहे की आपण माझं चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा आणि लाईक करा. सबस्क्राईब अँड लाईक माय चॅनल. थँक्यू.